Good morning, students. Earlier, we have discussed about land resources. Today, we are going to start soil resource. So, let's start with soil as resource. Soil is the most important renewable natural resource. It is a medium of plant growth and supports different types of living organisms on the earth. It helps in providing food to the earth. Now, let's discuss about the formation of soil. It takes millions of years to form the soil up to a few centimeters in depth. Soil is formed due to the following factors. Number 1, relief, parent rock or bedrock, climate, vegetation and other forms of life and time. Number 2, various factors of nature also contribute to the formation of soil, such as change in temperature, action of running water, wind and glacier, etc. Number 3, organic and inorganic materials also played an important role in the formation of soil. Move to the soil profile. The below layer of the soil is parent bedrock. It is unweathered, means it is unaffected by the weather. It is a lower part of earth crust. Second one, after this part, there is substratum weather parent rock material. It is that part which was being eroded or formed by the phenomena of weather. Number 3, third part is of subsoil weathered rock, sand and silt is below the topsoil and above the substratum weathered parent rock. It contains sand, silt and clay. Fourth one is topsoil. It means top layer of the soil. It is rich in humus and useful for the growth of vegetation. Now, let's learn about soil classification. Soil is classified in different types on the basis of soil formation, color, thickness, texture, age, chemical and physical properties. The types of soils are number 1, alluvial soil, number 2, red and yellow soil, number 3, laterite soil, number 4, arid soil, number 5, black soil, number 6, forest soil. Now, take a look on the first soil, that is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is the most widely spread soil in India. The entire northern plain are made up of alluvial soil. These have been deposited by the three Himalayan river system, that is Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. It is consist of sand, silt and clay. It is found in eastern coastal plains, particularly in the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri rivers. It extends in Rajasthan and Gujarat through a narrow corridor. These soils contain adequate proportion of potash, phosphoric acid and limestone. It is good for many crops like sugarcane, wheat and pulse crops. In the upper reaches of river valley, such as near the place of breaking slope, the soils are coarse, means of low quality. These are very common in Piedmont plains such as Duras, Chos and Terai. Students, soils are also described on the basis of their age. According to their age, alluvial soil can be classified as old alluvial soil, Bangar, and new alluvial soil, Khadar. Now, question is, what is the difference between these two soils, Bangar and Khadar? So, let's discuss about these two. Number 1, Bangar soil. It is an old alluvial soil. It has more concentration of kankar. It is less fertile. Now, Khadar. It is new alluvial soil. It has less concentration of kankar. It is more fertile. Students, this is all about soil resource and alluvial soil. Now, let's discuss about second type of the soil, that is red and yellow soil. These soils develop on crystalline igneous rocks in the area of low rainfall in the eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau. Means it is in the form of crystal. Number 2, these soils is found in Orissa, Chhattisgarh, southern part of Middle Ganga Plain, along the Piedmont zone of Western Ghats. Number 3, these soils develop a reddish color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks. Next one is, it looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form. Now, let's discuss about forest soils. These soils are found in hilly and mountainous areas. Soil's texture varies according to the environment. Soils are loamy and silty in the valley side, means best quality of the soil for plant growth, and coarse grained soil in upper slopes, means low quality soil. In snow covered areas of the Himalaya, these soils experience denudation and are acidic with low humus content. Now, what is denudation? Students, it's a process that causes wearing away of Earth's surface by moving water. So, students, this was all about soil resource, alluvial soil, red and yellow soil, and forest soil. Rest we will do in the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.